Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will learn how to calculate the wages for labor on the basis of overtime and normal rate in the Microsoft Excel. So let's go to the screen. I will show you how to do it. Here is some data. Overtime rate is 35, normal rate is 30, and labor hour is labor hour is 8. And here is our workers. Sorry, it's our serial number, and here is our workers, and their labor hour is here. Now we will calculate the overtime. For calculate overtime, here is the formula, equal sign, then if, then first bracket start. Now logical test 1 is or labor hour. If labor hour is greater than this, then the answer will be this minus normal hour, labor hour minus normal hour, and if the value is false, then the answer will be 0. Now close the bracket, hit enter. Here is our overtime. Now we have to fix some data here. We will fix our overtime and normal rate and labor hour. Those data will be freezed, so freeze it with dollar sign. B3 will be dollar sign, hit enter, and calculate overtime for all of them. Here is the overtime for our workers. Now we will calculate the wages. How to do it? First of all, equal sign, then if, then bracket. Logical test 1 is if labor hour is greater than this, then the answer will be this normal labor hour into normal rate plus overtime into overtime rate. And if the condition goes false, then the answer will be normal hour, our labor hour into normal hour. Close the bracket, hit enter. Now freeze those data. B3 will be freezed, B3 freezed, V2 freezed, V1 freezed, V2 freezed. All those data, overtime rate, normal rate, and labor hour, those data will be freezed. Hit enter. Now we will calculate the wages for all other workers. Here is the result. Thank you.